Want to create beautiful image layout in Divi 5 without any custom CSS, SVG or complex setup? Then today I'm going to share 6 image masking designs for Divi 5, a free layout pack that helps you turn ordinary photos into polished professional visuals, which are perfect for hero section, galleries and featured content. So if all that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. So let's go ahead and start by downloading all the 6 image masking designs for free. So for that, make sure you check out the link in the video description below, and this is going to take you to our blog post here, and all you need to do is just scroll down and then click on free download link here. And now just go ahead and enter your email address and hit download. You will see a download button and then just click on it and you will get a zip file which you can go ahead and extract on your computer. Now, after downloading and unzipping the file on your computer, you will find 6 individual layouts featuring modern mask shapes and ready-to-use compositions. Along with that, you will also find one file that imports all design at once into your Divi library. So use them individually or grab everything in one go, it's up to you. Now let me walk you through how you can import all of these layouts into your Divi library. So head back to your WordPress backend and then go to Divi and head over to Divi Library, and from there just click on Import and Export and switch to Import tab, and then just click on Choose File and select the JSON file you want to import. We are going to import all of them, so I'm just going to import this JSON file. And that's it. Your image masking layouts are ready to go. You can now import any of these layouts into any of your website page. So let me show you how. So let's go ahead and create a page and let's give it a name and then just build it with Divi Visual Builder. Now go ahead and click on this plus icon. And now in order to build this page, we are going to start by using our pre-made layout and then import our image mask layout. And boom, now we have our layout ready on our page. It's time to style and swap the images. Which brings us to the fun part. Let's swap the images first. Now all you have to do is just click on the image inside the layout. Or if it is a background image, just need to click on the column and then select the image from your computer. Now there could be a situation when a design is using multiple mask images. In that case, just go ahead and swap them one by one. Replace the background image inside container if needed. This keeps the original composition intact while updating your visuals. And this is how you can easily create some eye-catching image masks using Divi 5. Now to get the best results, keep these quick tips in mind. Number 1. Use high contrast and simple photos. Masking crops aggressively, so choose images with clear subjects and strong contrast. Avoid busy backgrounds that lose details when clipped. Number 2. Keep it consistent and visual rhyme. If you are using multiple images, make sure you choose photos with similar tone and style to keep the layout cohesive instead of chaotic. Number 3. Balance images with white spaces. Give your mask images room to breathe. Clean background and padding helps everything feel intentional and polished. Number 4. Check the mobile cropping. Now masking behaves differently on smaller screens. Always preview on mobile and adjust image positioning. And then prioritize readable text. If your layout includes text near imagery, make sure contrast stays strong. A subtle overlay or background block can help maintain readability. So these 6 image masking designs for Divi 5 give you a fast way to create modern professional layouts without any custom code. Just drop them in, swap the images and adjust the style, and you will have a polished design in minutes. If you are using Divi 5, this pack is an easy win. Go ahead and check out the link in the video description below and try it today. And if you want to watch more tutorials and free packs like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.